Sony Cybershot old digital camera uses G batteries. So let's just say that you just got this camera, whether you just bought it recently or you had it, but hey, you lost your charger. So how are you going to fix that? So how are you going to charge this battery? Well, here's the problem too. You cannot just connect a USB-C cable. As a matter of fact, that USB port is proprietary. That means you're even going to have a hard time finding the cable. So how do you solve the problem? Well, I got a solution for you right here. This is the Bauer universal charger, and not only does it charge those other batteries, it charges these kind of batteries, that kind, and also does regular AA, AAA rechargeable batteries. So how about that? That's amazing. And what we want concern with is this G Sony battery for the Sony camera. All right, so how does it work? All right, let's take a look at it. So we're going to remove this plastic piece. Okay, so we have the slots for the AA battery. So how do you put the little Sony camera battery in there? All right, so pretty simple. On the very top, it's got these sliders. These are the contacts. And we're just going to match the contacts to the battery, okay? The negative and plus, so we're just going to put it in. And you can see it's already working. See this LED slide up by 1? That means it's got about a 1% power, and it's just going to keep going until all those are full, and they'll be fully charged. But you don't want to hold it with your fingers, so here, this is what you do. You're just going to bring that closer in like that, make it nice and tight, and now you can just kind of walk away and watch it charge, and then see how that is connecting. That's keeping it tight, and you can adjust that to whatever the batteries that you're going to be using. That's how you hold it in place. There are the pins, and it's already charging the battery. But hey, let's look at it in action, so that way we can put our money where our mouth is. Let's see it, if it actually did charge it. I already know it did because I've used it many times. So here we go, moment of truth. Let's take a look. So you can see we saw the red light go on, so we know that we're good. And let's turn on our old camera and see it. There we go. See, it pops out, and you're ready to start taking pictures. You're ready to go. So yeah, universal charger, save the day, and your old digital camera is back to life just like that.